Yo guys, welcome back to this new video. It's me, Techie Travel here, and today I'll be doing the review of this Huawei Watch GT, and let's get into the video. So guys, this is the Huawei Watch GT with me. First of all, talking about the design is really good. It has a metal casing outside and also ceramic bezel around it, and also has numbering on it. It has two buttons on its side, and it has a really beautiful band. This band can be changed. You can change it as you wish. I have got the sports model here, so I have got the sports silicone band over here. Backside it has a semi-circular shape, like it has the heart rate sensor. It has the heart rate sensor on the back. Now talking about the screen. Yeah, the screen is really bright. Even in darker situations, it's really bright. Also, the screen is just 1.39-inch AMOLED screen. Like I actually like the screen. It's really smooth and really nice. It's really bright. Even in very bright sunlight also it is really bright. So I like the screen also. So guys, this is the charging port. As you can see, it's very nice round charging port. You have to put the charging port on back side of the watch. It's magnetic. As you can see, it will be like this, looking like this. Then you have to take the wire and connect to the charging port. Then connect to an adapter or laptop or wherever you want. So guys, I was talking about this design all this time. Now we will talk about the battery. Huawei claims about 2 weeks of battery with heart rate monitoring on, which is really impressive for a watch like this, because many flagships of watch doesn't have that much battery life. But this watch has 2 weeks of battery life with heart rate monitoring on for 24/7. So guys, as you can see, this watch has 24/7 heart monitoring. It has GPS in it. Also, this GT watch has this GT watch provides coaching in real time, which gives guidance into training. The watch has multiple sports modes for many indoor and outdoor and training activities. The watch observes your sleep in night if you wear this watch in sleep, because it has True Sleep 3.0 in it. So guys, in this watch you can change the faces of the watch like this. You have many faces, and you can also download the faces in Huawei App Store. You have many faces over here. You have energy, green, symbol, tech, like that many you have. You can change this anytime you want. Like, it's really nice. I like this energy actually because it's really good. This one I like really because it looks like a real watch, that's why. Guys, if you swipe to the right, you have the heartbeat over here. It is 24/7 as I said. Again, if you swipe, you can see the weather. Again, you swipe, you can see your steps and how many times you did the exercise and all like that information. It has two buttons, as I said before. One button, if you press, it will show all the settings, flashlight, alarm, timer, like that things it will show. And it is also the home button. If you press this button, you can go back to the home. If you press this button, it will show all the workout sections. Like it has running courses, outdoor and indoor and outdoor work, like that many it has. You can choose any you want. Like it has something like 13 of them. You have running courses also, 4 of them you have. You go back, you can see this. Look, if you start. So guys, if you press this button, you can go to the workout sections. As you can see, there are many workout sections for this watch. This is water resistance also. It has 50-meter water resistant. It has four running courses, and if you take one running course like this, you can start the running course. So if you start the running course, you can see everything. Time left, it will show you the heart rate while you walk or run. It will show the distance, time, it will show the steps, the calories, the weight, climbing, heart rate also it will show. Everything it will show. If you want to end, you have to press this button and it will end. As you can see, the workout has been ended. So guys, all this time I was talking about the advantages of this watch. Now I will talk some disadvantages of this watch. first disadvantage is that this watch, you cannot accept calls in this watch. You can only reject calls. If you get a call, you can only reject, you cannot accept, and you cannot talk in this watch because it doesn't have a microphone. Also, you cannot play music in this watch because this watch doesn't have a speaker. Third, you cannot pay using this watch because this watch doesn't have NFC. You cannot pay using this watch like Apple Pay or like Samsung has Samsung Pay. Like that you can. So guys, the fourth disadvantage is that this watch, you cannot download third-party apps in this watch. Like if you want to download an extra app in this watch, you cannot do it. Like you cannot do that actually. You cannot download any third-party apps in this watch. It is not possible. Also, there is only a limited number of watch faces. Like you can download many from the apps from the Huawei app gallery, but there's only limited. Like there are only 20 or 30, I don't know, but they are limited. You cannot download any extra from Google or anywhere. So these are the disadvantages of these watches. So guys, the price of this watch is just 799 dirhams in UAE and $229 in USA. Like it's a reasonable price for a watch because all the flagships in the same watches have more price. Actually, this watch is more cheaper in the flagship watches in these models. So guys, take your travel here. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the notification bell so that you will get all my videos as soon as possible. So guys, every Friday and Saturday I will be putting my videos. Go and watch the videos and subscribe to my channel. So guys, me signing out. Bye.